child trying to practice safe distancing. My child is in school and home doing homeschooling remotely. I have a number of jobs, and all of those jobs are online now. But I am keeping my health up,
Yes.
and I have faith that what we're going through right now will pass, and God has us. He
C'est ça.
has us. He's making sure that we're going to make it through this.
Tant qu'on continue Katrina Flamand fait nous connaît que bon modèle comment lié avec COVID-19 l'a dégagé il fait connaît grâce à Dieu l'a kembe et petit li tout et c'est un cool dans l'école parce que il gagne et professeur Capri lui même avec toute l'autre élève yo donc grâce à Dieu l'a kembe. So how is Randolph? Because I know the last time we was checking, people who are infected with the COVID-19 close to 500.
Oh yes, we're up to 700.
Oh, 700. Right. I'm trying to take some out, eh? Not a good thing to do.
Well, the good thing, Harold, I will say that the not a good thing, but I will talk about the majority of people who have been affected by COVID have recovered. The majority of all, the major majority of people have recovered.
That's good.
So, I mean, we're thankful for that, but we definitely have lots of work to do and helping the community come together and use the resources that we have.
Bon, t'as un consulat et fait nous connaître, me demander, est-ce que c'est nous presque dans 500, oui, là, monde qui est infecté avec Covid, là, non, les dit, c'est presque 700, parce que, pas de regarder chiffre là, même quoi, dernière fois, me regarder dans 400, mais qu'on y a dans 700, et il fait nous connaître que plus fort monde qui prend Covid-19, qui testé positif, plus fort monde ça yo, retourner à la normale. So, what's, why, places like Randolph, Brockton, Boston are hotspot? Why is that?
Hotspots, what's going on. As we spoke about before, Harold, when I was on your radio station, we talked about, people of color, Black people. We have been more affected. I mean, don't get me wrong, the virus does not discriminate. But due to our underlying illnesses, the virus has been easily attacking us. And when you look at places like Brockton, Randolph, Boston, where there's a high population of Black people, and as Black people, we have heart condition, we have asthma, we have so many illnesses that it's hard to not catch a virus, any type of virus.
Wow! So the virus is also really like these people. As soon as you got pre-existing conditions, so you are the one that take the pounding with the virus. So
absolutely.
But is there a difference between Black people here and Black people in Africa? Because Africa, the virus do not do much. Like the experts say that it was going to be, but look like God save the Africans, from that big headache. But here,
let's all go back to Africa.
I'm saying this because check this out. In Haiti, it's about 700 or 800 people get. While Dominican Republic closed, we're talking about 14,000. You see the difference? So that's what I'm saying. Are those Black American are different than Black African because they're taking a beating here?
I think of two things. I think of two things when it comes to that, and I want to make sure I talk about the facility we have in Randolph as well. Mm-hmm. One, as I mentioned, stress here when we're there's lots of stress, and that stress has a lot to do with our preconditions as well. So there's a different type of living, different type of style of living that happens, I think, when you are in certain places. That's the first thing. The second thing is what we found, at least in Randolph and in the States, is a lot of the Black people, we're frontline workers, right?
Okay.
We're going into the hospitals. we have to continue to work.
Let me stop you for a second. We got to identify the radio. We'll be Ou branché sur Radio Télé Planète Compas, 89.3 FM, Marapen Hyde Park, Rosendale, Dorchester, Milton et Randolph, Brockton 105.3 FM.
Et pas oublier, Mr. Compas dit que nous sous Alexa tout. Relais Tizayon 781 510 65 66. Si on a Randolph seulement, avec coronavirus là, moun Randolph seulement, Tizayon a vite mettre pour nous, sans problème.
Et pas oublier, regardez dernière vidéo Prophétia sur YouTube. Tapez Harold Marius Prophétie sur page Facebook. Nous tous en difficulté. Musique ça a sous deuxième CD Carolina Marius qui apparaît dans 18e anniversaire radio en novembre prochain. Si pandémie en bas non chance.
Et pas oublier mettez masque ou dans figure là prendre dehors pour Mr. Compadio ça non. Lavez maintenant souvent pendant 20 secondes et surtout pas bailler la main à personne ni à Tizayon. God is good all the time.
La prophétie accomplie. L'heure juste, 11h. Yes, back with Town Councillor Katrina Herf-Lamont, who is with us this morning, talking about, the COVID-19 and also the information, the updates, places in a moment that you can go and take a test in case, if you want, right here in Randolph. We will give you the places, the sites in a moment. So we're talking about stress. That could be a big problem here in USA for the black people, as a matter of fact. But we got to make sure we take care of ourselves because if we
Absolutely.
don't, that will be a problem for us. I mean, a virus that's kind of mortal coming at us like that, it causes a lot of damages. People are dying, but now it's like Brazil, like South America is the one that's taking a big hit right now with the virus. So I was talking about the sites. Randolph, you can go to some sites, some places to get the test. How it works.
Absolutely. And just to finish up my point, I think COVID-19 is also highlighting the disparities that we have in the United States, right? And in the country. And when we talk about healthcare and we talk about lack of economics and the difficulty of us taking care of ourselves and our families, I think COVID-19 has heightened that awareness. So that is another reason when we're talking about why this virus is hitting us so hard. We have to look at the disparities when it comes to what we do not have and how we need to improve and how people need to look at the inequalities that are putting Black people in these situations. So absolutely.
C'est ça. Donc, comme nous connaissons, c'est nous-mêmes qui pouvons protéger tout le temps. Comme tu dis, mettre corps, veiller corps. Donc, virus là, l'immortel, l'a frappé moun toujours. Et je crois que surtout moun qui a pre-existing condition, à savoir si vous avez un problème cœur ou un problème ou fait asthme. Donc, s'il vous plaît, et c'est très important pour continuer avec guidelines que vous bail pour protéger tout. Where are the places in Randolph people can go and get tested?
Yeah, so we're excited. We've fought for Randolph to have a testing site because it made no sense. Didn't make any sense that Randolph is number 3 in the state, number 4 in the state, and we don't have a testing site. But other places who were number 10 or over 10 had testing spots. So myself, Councilor Clifton, the town manager, spoke to our representatives, spoke to Congresswoman Presley and the senator, and with that, we were able to bring a spot, a testing spot, which is in Randolph, right across from Town Hall, actually. 32 South Main Street in Randolph, and it's open from 10 to 4. 3 different languages: Haitian Creole, Chinese, Vietnamese, and English are the 4 languages that are spoken. And I've been there. They took me, I had a tour around the facility, a wonderful facility, a clean facility, and definitely everyone seemed extremely knowledgeable and helpful.
That's why. Et Town Councilor, Katrina fait nous connaître que Kounia ou capable de tester dans Randolph, numéro 32, South Main Street dans Randolph. Il a commencé à partir de 10h du matin jusqu'à 4h de l'après-midi. 10h du matin pour 4h de l'après-midi, là, le visiter et en dedans, et là, le garder pour recommander et faciliter à savoir zone, son zone qui propre. Et puis, on le fait test. Même d'abord, je connais au juste c'est comment ça. Est-ce que c'est il faut une assurance pour le faire test ou bien est-ce que c'est free? So how can somebody go and take the test? Do you have a number to call or do you have to call your doctor? What about if the person don't have the doctor? What do you have to do?
So call if you feel if you're feeling any of these symptoms, right? Mm-hmm. You have a fever over 100.4 or higher, a cough, you feel nauseous, you're vomiting, a sore throat, shortness of breath, you feeling fatigue, chills, body aches, diarrhea, and pain. And you loss of smell and taste, you should definitely call 781-607-4355. Make an appointment whether you have insurance or not, and there will be no questions about your immigration status. You just call the number, let them know that you have these symptoms, and they will ask you to come on down so you can take the test.
Donc, comme Town Councilor, c'est comment ou capable prendre test là? Est-ce que c'est qui moun qui capable prendre? Donc, premièrement, si on la fièvre 100.4 sous, eh bien, ou carré les numéros, ça me bral bon là. Si par exemple, on vomi, et ou gen gorge qui tant qu'on enflé, sore throat, ou gen aussi, ou senti fatigué, ou al dans toilette en pile, à savoir, ou gen diarrhée, ou bien, ou senti pas qu'à prendre sente manger, ou bien, odeur, etc. Donc, tout ça, c'est une série de symptômes que le virus là porté. Depuis qu'il y a les 781 607 43 55. 781 607 43 55. Le téléphone ça, qu'on gagne assurance. Qu'on pas gagne assurance, eh bien, il y a prend et il y a bonne opportunité pour qu'elle tester kounia. So that means it's an easy access for people now to be tested. They cannot say, hey, we are short on testing. Do they have enough? Because I know Randolph has a population of 32,158 based on the last counting they had, census. So you think they have enough in case?
I think we have enough. I mean, what is sad, Harold, is not enough people are going to get tested. We want people, if you feel a little something, please, we fought really hard for this testing to come to Randolph. As I mentioned, myself, Councilor Clifton, the town manager, Congresswoman Presley, State Rep Driscoll, we fought really hard for this to come to Randolph, and we want to make sure that it's utilized because we want Randolph to remain as healthy as possible. And it's a drive-in service. If you have a car, you stay in your car. Social distancing is definitely respected. So you stay in your car, they test you, and it's minutes before they tell you what's going on.
Il dit que c'est une zone là pour aller, c'est dans machine ou abriter ou pas même descendre machine là. Immédiatement ou aller dans 32 ou finir le numéro à 781 607 43 55 et puis qu'on y a et checker ou parler avant le téléphone pour voir qui genre de problème qu'on gagne, de symptômes et puis qu'on y a et yo bon date pour qu'à passer dans le numéro 32 South Main Street. Mais c'est 10h du matin pour 4h de l'après-midi. L'on passé, on va prendre dans machine nous, et puis c'est eux même qui viennent côté pour faire test là avec vous. But some people told me when they do the test, they put that thing in your nose. Oh my God! We say, oh.
Yes, they do. They do. Oh. They do. Let me just plug up my computer real quick.
Yes. So
something happened with my computer, so I was like, oh, I don't want it to go away. Yes, I heard it's a very long.
That's what someone told me.
Yeah, that goes into
but
your nose.
They told me it's about 1 or 2 seconds, things like that. But it's not.
It's very quick. 1 or 2 seconds.
Yes.
I also want to say that there's no stigma if you feel as if something is going on with you, please, as I said, we fought really hard to bring this to
Randolph.
Randolph, and the town manager and the health commissioner are in their office every day, making sure that people who are in need of the services, they're directing them over to. It's a 2 big white tents, so you can't miss it if you're driving down South Main Street.
Probably li tout près, it's close to Citizen Bank, you say? Right in
Yes.
front of Town Hall?
Right in front of Town Hall, right on the side of Citizens Bank.
OK. So
So
tout
it's
près.
easy to detect.
Tout près Citizen Bank là, et en face Town Hall là, de vous paraître après lui, et puis mettez numéro 32 South Main Street in Randolph, ou joindre normalement. So, the last question, what about people who don't have no symptom whatsoever?
People who do not have any symptoms.
Yes.
So are you talking maybe like asymptomatic?
Asymptomatic, that's the
Yeah.
word.
Absolutely. So what we also were doing, if a person does seem to have symptoms, but the other household members do not have symptoms, we're opening it up for all household members. So if one household member has symptoms and the other household member does not have symptoms, both of you could go and be tested.
And be
because
tested.
we do understand that you could be a carrier but not have symptoms.
OK. Donc, Town Council a fait nous connaître, si par exemple, dans cas là, eh bien, il y en a le fait test, et puis, les positifs, l'autre là, a le fait test, il n'y a pas de symptômes du tout. Donc, depuis il y a un positif, ou doit le fait test pour tout le monde en général, en façon pour capable faire prévention, pour capable exempter et plus moun prend virus là. So, this is the place we have right now, 32 South Main Street in Randolph.
Absolutely.
10 o'clock in the morning till 4 p.m. So Randolph is on. So for people who want to be tested, so I think we all have to take advantage of it and make sure we are on the program. And regarding school, so there won't be no school this year. It's over, right?
Yeah, it's over. Well, they're doing school at home, but yes, they're not walking to school or taking a bus to school. Absolutely.
How about in fall? You think in fall, things like that? But hopefully, the virus, the pandemic will go away. Hopefully,
we're taking everything slow and
Yes.
seeing what the results are. And so there's no word. However, we're planning for both scenarios. We're planning for the opportunity for 3 scenarios, actually. There's some scenarios where kids will not be in school. They will continue remote learning at home. There's a scenario that they could go back to school full time. And there's a scenario where it's half and half.
Wow.
So we'll see where it goes. And that's happening across the country of those 3 scenarios.
There's a videotape somebody sent me on WhatsApp, but when kids go to school right now in China, as soon as the kids bring a mask and they take the mask, and then first of all they spray the kids all over and then spray under the shoes, things
Under
like
the
that.
shoes, I saw that too.
You seen that too? Yes.
Yes.
So make sure the kids is 100% disinfected and then go to the classroom. You think we'll be able to do that in USA?
Well, I don't know if we will do any means to keep. I think I can only really speak about where we are, but I hope we will do anything that we need to do to keep everyone as safe as possible.
Yes.
This virus is so unknown. We have no idea, of how to completely keep ourselves safe. But we do know, even if we go back to the classrooms half and half in the fall, likely students will be wearing masks to school.
But I know God is good.
God is good.
There will be a solution to this problem so things can go back
Absolutely.
for the kids to normal. Without education, this is really a mess, but we need education in order to make the kids successful. And so far, they are getting the education, even though it's not the same thing like when you are in the school. In the room, but I think the teacher is calling the kids to make sure they do the homework, to make sure they do the assignment and things get rolling, and they grade you. Even the high school too, I think this year the kids who are graduating, from high school. So
Yes.
thanks.
Yes. And I want to say that too. Happy, graduation to all the 2020 graduates. Things have changed. There's something going on where you can't go out and celebrate the way you thought you would be able to, but you have definitely accomplished a lot. And I'm so proud that of Randolph and all of the graduates, and beyond Randolph, I'm proud of the graduates.
That's it. Well, thank you very much, Town Councillor. That was really a pleasure talking to you, updating us about the new site now for people to be tested in Randolph. You don't have to go to Brockton, you have to go to Dorchester, you don't have to go to a different place. But right here, 32 South Main Street in Randolph. That's the place to be tested, 10 o'clock in the morning till 4 p.m. But before that, you got to make sure you call this number, 7816-07-4355. If you have a last word, go ahead.
And thank you again for allowing me on the station. If anyone has questions about the site, or again, last time I was on, we spoke about the loans, please feel free to call me. A couple of you did after my last interview with Harold. And again, you are welcome to call me at 617-240-7106. Thank you so much. God bless.
When something is not working right in one place, what's not working for you, it might work for somebody else. Right now, check this out. You are at home and with Zoom, or in your office with Zoom.
Absolutely.
People all over the place can see you on Facebook, online, without problem. So thanks. We discovered doing that refinement or quarantine. This is good also, and that's how teachers having conferences and so many things. That's where Zoom is really popular and get things moving for us. Again, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you. Well, that was Councillor Katrina Herflamont qui était avec nous là, et bien qui a parlé avec nous au sujet de un nouveau site qui y a là dans Randolph pour vous-même qui t'a besoin et tester. Pour tester, il faut les numéros d'abord 781 607 43 55. 781 607 43 55. Là, dans Randolph, numéro 32 South Main Street, qui est en face Town Hall là. Et aussi tout près Citizen Bank là. Et c'est un drive-in service que y a, à savoir, retenir machine et puis il a fait test là pour. Là, il est d'abord, il a demandé, etc., qui a de symptômes qu'on sentit, est-ce que vous avez la fièvre 100.4 sous, du moins, fatigue, diarrhée, sort trop, ou vomi, et plusieurs autres facteurs, et puis, qu'on y a là, il a pris rendez-vous avec vous, si vous avez assurance ou pas avez assurance, on croit que ça a marché quand même pour tous deux camps. Encore une fois, avant d'aller, téléphone ou capable brûler 781 607 43 55 où tu as besoin de tester pour coronavirus. Sur Radio Téléplanète Compas, 11h18 et 22 secondes.